Day 2? If you're back, I knew you would be.
And if this is your first day, perfect. You can start the challenge right here. Day 1 is waiting for you in the playlist. But nobody starts a series in order anymore. Welcome.
On day 1, your mouth learned 40 sentences. Today we go bigger, much bigger. 99 sentences about the one topic you will talk about every single day of your life.
Your day. How it started, how work went, what you ate, how you feel about all of it, and what's coming tomorrow. How was your day is the most common question in English. And after today, you'll never answer it with just good again.
The rules: fast. I say a sentence. Then there's a 2-second silence. That silence is yours. Repeat the sentence out loud, not in your head. Your mouth needs the practice, not your imagination.
Just say.
If I'm too fast, slow the video to 0.75 speed. No shame, that's what the button is for. And remember, the 3-touch rule from our memory episode. Today is touch 1. Replaying this video tomorrow is touch 2. That's when these sentences become yours.
All 99 sentences are in the free PDF, Principle, with the phrases explained. Link in the description. And when you finish today, comment Day 2 with a check mark. We count every single one.
6 themes, 1 full day, 99 sentences. Warm up your voice. Here we go. Morning sentences. Present tense, low energy, high honesty. Number 1, I'm awake but only technically.
Perfect for texting a friend at 7 a.m.
Number 2, my alarm went off 3 times.
When off means it rang.
Number 3, I hit snooze twice. Again.
Confession mode. Very relatable.
Number 4, I finally dragged myself out of bed.
Dragged when your body says no.
Number 5, I slept like a baby.
You slept perfectly.
Number 6, I barely slept last night.
Barely. Almost not at all.
Number 7, I need coffee before anything else.
The most honest morning sentence in English.
Number 8, I'm not a morning person.
Your official excuse card. Use it freely.
Number 9, I'm still half asleep.
Say it before your first coffee.
Number 10, I'm running late this morning.
Say it while putting your shoes on.
Number 11, I skipped breakfast today.
You didn't have it.
Number 12, I had a quick shower and rushed out.
2 actions, 1 smooth sentence.
Number 13, it's freezing this morning.
Much stronger than just cold.
Number 14, I checked my phone first thing.
First thing, before anything else.
Number 15, the morning flew by.
Flew by. Passed very, very fast.
Number 16, today started way too early.
Way too much too. Great for complaining politely.
16 down, shake your shoulders, sip something. Notice how sentence 16 felt easier than sentence 1? That's your mouth warming up. We talked about this in the morning routine episode.
Work sentences next. This is where your day gets busy and where most learners go silent. Not anymore.
Work sentences. The middle of your day. Stress, focus, and small victories. Number 17, I have a busy day ahead.
Ahead. Coming toward you.
Number 18, my to-do list is out of control.
Dramatic, but usually accurate.
Number 19, I have back-to-back meetings today.
Back to back, one after another, no break.
Number 20. I'm swamped at work.
Swamped. Buried under too much work.
Number 21. I can't focus today.
Simple. Universal. Always true on Mondays.
Number 22. I keep getting distracted.
Keep plus ing. It happens again and again.
Number 23. The meeting ran long.
It took more time than planned. They always do.
Number 24. I finally finished that report.
Finally, after a long, long time.
Number 25. I got a lot done this morning.
Got done. Completed.
Number 26. I'm behind on my emails.
Behind? Not up to date. Join the club.
Number 27. I took a 5-minute break.
Took a break, stopped to rest.
Number 28. I've been staring at my screen all day.
It started earlier and it's still happening.
Number 29. I asked for help and it worked.
A small victory sentence. Underrated.
Number 30. I made a stupid mistake today.
We all did. Saying it out loud helps.
Number 31. My boss was in a good mood today.
A small office miracle. Celebrate it.
Number 32. Deadlines are chasing me.
Drama for work stress.
Number 33. I'm learning something new at work.
Positive, open, invites questions.
33 done, a third of the way. If you've only been listening, this is your restart. Out loud from the next one.
Food and breaks coming up. The happiest vocabulary in English.
Food and break sentences. The small pleasures that keep the day alive. Number 34. I'm starving. What's for lunch?
Starving. Very, very hungry.
Number 35. I grabbed a quick bite.
Grabbed a bite. Ate something fast.
Number 36. I ordered in today.
The food came to you. Zero effort, full joy.
Number 37. I'm trying to eat healthier.
Trying to the honest version of the plan.
Number 38. This coffee is keeping me alive.
Say it and mean it.
Number 39. I treated myself to dessert.
Treated myself. A small gift. From you to you.
Number 40. I ate at my desk again.
The again is the sad part.
Number 41. Lunch went by too fast.
Breaks always do.
Number 42. I could use some fresh air.
Could use. I need it, said politely.
Number 43. I went for a short walk.
Simple past, simple joy.
Number 44. I ran into an old friend.
Ran into, met by chance. No running involved.
Number 45. We had a good catch-up.
Catch up. Sharing all the news you missed.
Number 46. The afternoon is dragging.
Dragging. Painfully slowly.
Number 47. I got my second wind.
Second wind. New energy after being tired.
Number 48. I'm counting down the hours.
Watching the clock, honestly.
Number 49. Almost done for the day.
The sweetest sentence at 5 p.m.
49. Half the mountain. Feel your voice? It's louder than it was 20 minutes ago. That's not a feeling, that's a fact.
The evening sentences just flare.
Home sentences. The day softens. Comfort, food, and your sofa. Number 50. I'm finally home.
Finally does all the emotional work here.
Number 51. I hit traffic on the way back.
Hit traffic, got stuck in it.
Number 52. I'm completely worn out.
Worn out. Very, very tired.
Number 53. I changed into something comfortable.
The official start of every evening.
Number 54. I'm cooking dinner from scratch.
From scratch, starting with nothing ready-made.
Number 55. We're just having leftovers tonight.
Leftovers. Yesterday's food, tonight's dinner.
Number 56. I did a quick tidy up.
Tidy up, making the place neat fast.
Number 57. The dishes can wait.
7 words. A complete life philosophy.
Number 58. I'm binge watching a new series.
Binge watching. Many episodes, one sitting, no regrets.
Number 59. I put my phone away for an hour.
Away. Out of sight, out of reach.
Number 60. I called my mom on the way home.
Multitasking with love.
Number 61. I'm having a quiet night in.
A night in. Staying home on purpose.
Number 62. I lost track of time.
You forgot what time it was. A good sign, usually.
Number 63. I finally have some me time.
Me time. Time that belongs only to you.
Number 64. I set everything up for tomorrow.
Set up, prepared in advance. Future you says thanks.
Number 65. I'm getting ready for bed early.
We believe you.
Number 66. Home is my favorite place.
Simple, warm, and true.
66 done. Now the grammar quietly shifts. We're moving to past tense. You're looking back at the day now. Was, did, went, took.
Don't think about the grammar of it. Just copy the music of it. The pattern will install itself.
Reflection sentences. Past tense now. You're looking back at the day. Number 67. My day was pretty good, actually.
Actually,
Number 68. It was a rough day.
Rough, hard, difficult, heavy.
Number 69. Today was a roller coaster.
Up, down, and up again.
Number 70. Nothing special happened today.
And that is completely okay.
Number 71. It was one of those days.
Everyone understands. No details needed.
Number 72. The day got better as it went.
as it went, as it continued.
Number 73. I handled it better than I expected.
Handled. Managed a difficult situation.
Number 74. I'm proud of myself today.
Doctor's orders.
Number 75. I didn't get much done.
An honest classic.
Number 76. Everything took longer than planned.
The universal law of days.
Number 77. I laughed a lot today.
The best kind of day. In 5 words.
Number 78. Today tested my patience.
Tested. Pushed it to the limit.
Number 79. I made someone's day today.
Made their day. Made them truly happy.
Number 80. Someone made my day too.
It goes both ways.
Number 81. I learned something about myself.
Deep in 6 words.
Number 82. Honestly, I'm glad it's over.
Honestly, the truth signal.
Number 83. Tomorrow is a fresh start.
And that's our bridge to the last theme.
83. Last theme. And the grammar shifts one more time to the future. Going to, will, might.
16 sentences left. Finish strong. These are the sentences that end every good conversation.
Future sentences. Going to, will, might, the grammar of tomorrow. Number 84. I'm going to sleep early tonight.
Going to, the plan is already made.
Number 85. Tomorrow I'll take it easy.
Take it easy. Relax. Go slow.
Number 86. I'm meeting a friend tomorrow.
Arranged and in the calendar, so present continuous.
Number 87. I'll deal with it tomorrow.
Deal with, handle a problem. Tomorrow use problem now.
Number 88. I'm going to start fresh in the morning.
Start fresh. Begin again. Clean.
Number 89. I have big plans for the weekend.
Big plans. The exciting kind.
Number 90. I'll probably stay in tomorrow.
Probably a soft, flexible plan.
Number 91. I'm hoping for a quieter day.
Hoping for it.
Number 92. I'll get up earlier tomorrow. Really.
The really says everything.
Number 93. I'm going to try that new place.
Try visiting it for the first time.
Number 94. I won't check my email after 8.
Won't, a promise to yourself. Keep it.
Number 95. Tomorrow might be a big day.
Might. It's possible, not certain.
Number 96. I'll let you know how it goes.
The friendship-keeping sentence.
Number 97. Whatever happens, I'll manage.
My favorite kind.
Number 98. I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Looking forward to. Happy about what's coming.
Number 99. One day at a time.
The challenge motto.
99. You just said 99 sentences out loud. Do you understand what you did? 25 minutes ago, how was your day had one answer. Now it has 99.
Quick favorite phrases recap. 5 to steal for this week. Went off, ran into, worn out, from scratch, made my day. If you only keep 5, keep those.
Now the check-in. Comment day 2 with a check mark. And add one sentence from today that describes your actual day. I'll be replying in the comments, and yes, I'm completely worn out is a valid answer.
Tomorrow morning, replay this video. That's touch 2. It takes the same 20 minutes and doubles what you keep. The PDF with all 99 sentences is in the description.
And day 3 is coming. 100 questions and answers you must understand. Because talking about your day is only half the game. Understanding the questions is the other half.
One day at a time. See you on day 3.
Say it with me one last time, out loud. One day at a time. That's it. That's the challenge. Bye, everyone.